Hi, this is Pete from Back Paddock. Today we're just going to have a quick look at how to create a recommendation from the Back Paddock Mobile App. You can see here I'm already in my client file. I've retrieved my rec template from the main screen and the master database. So I'm just going to move across to the rec tab now. Click on rec tab at the top. You can see that I've already got a couple of recommendations I've already created. So to create a brand new recommendation, click the add button in the top left hand corner. Give the job a number. It'll pre-populate from the last previously used job number. If you want to add some advice type information or remarks in there, you can do, but those are optional fields. Then press the done button at the top of the screen there to move to the next stage. You can see now I've got a couple of options for what type of recommendation I want to create. I'm going to just create a crop protection rec today, so click that box there, and then we'll move on to the actual recommendation requirements. So we can see here we need to set a target paddock, so I'll click on the set target paddock field and select the paddock that I want to apply for this recommendation. So I'll just choose this one. If I've got multiple crops in a paddock, it'll tell me there that I've got different splits, but I'm just going to choose the entire paddock for this one. So click on entire paddock, and you can see there that paddock is now selected in the top right hand corner. I'll select as many paddocks in that method till I've completed as many paddocks as I need. So click the done button. You can see that paddocks there is applied in the set target paddock section. It's pre-populated some information about the crop types. I can add crop stage if I want by clicking the drop down menu here. I'll go down to the reason and pest section. So click the plus button to add a reason or pest. I'll just choose a random one here and continue that for as many pests as you want. Then I'll go into the products selection section. So click the green tick box next to add product. You can either scroll down to add as many products as you want, or you can click in the box, type and enter for anything, the actual product that you want, and it'll pre-populate that information from your master database. If you're going to be using this mix on a regular basis, click the Save Mix button, give it a name, and then press Done. Press OK. Next time you go into a different recommendation, you can click the Load Mix button and then select that mix again for the next recommendation. Scroll further down to application conditions. If you want to set your application conditions to a different water rate, choose your nozzle, or a different timing, you can do by using these drop down fields. Application constraints is next, so you can choose your susceptible crops, wind direction and wind speed. If you click on the down arrow next to withholding periods, it will give you the option to adjust your withholding periods there. Right at the bottom of the screen is the comments section, so click in the comments field to add your comments for this recommendation. And again, you can save these comments for later on for use in another client file. Click Save, give the template a name, then OK. The next time you're in a different client file or the same client file and creating a brand new rec, if you click on Load, you can then reapply that comment to that next rec, and away you go. So once you've entered all this information, click on the back button in the top left hand corner. You can see that mix. From here, there's a couple of options. If we go into settings, if we now go to include map, we can then go to capture map in this field, scroll down to wherever my paddock is. I'm not sure if I've got any paddocks in this one. So scroll down as far as you can to your paddock, press the done button, and then when you go into the view report at the top of the screen there, you'll be able to see that area in the bottom of your screen. So this is what your recommendation PDF looks like. You can see it's got the file name there, my details, the paddock information, the crops, the reasons for this recommendation and the products I'm spraying. And it's got a spray operator record there too, if you want to actually include that for your spray operator. From here, I can click the send button and it'll email it directly to the email address that I've added in that file. If you have any questions, please call us on 07322202959, email support@backpaddock.com.au, or use the chat function on our website. Thank you.